Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia L4, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, which is the one right here. And once you open it up, tap on the three bars right here and choose settings, where you will find import at the bottom, so right here. And you get a couple options. So we're interested in importing them from SIM card, so let's select that. Okay. And here immediately all the contacts that are located on the SIM card become selected, so you can deselect the ones that, for instance, you might not want to import. So just tap on it like so, and once you are satisfied, just tap on the check mark. You'll get for SIM contacts imported, and now if we go back, you should see the SIM contacts right here. So that is how you import it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.